Hey, what's up? It's KTG, and today's video, basically a Friday night ride through downtown Minneapolis. Follow a couple riders. Just basically my experience on a Friday night riding through the Twin Cities. A few things about the video. I had the low light setting on, so it kind of blew out all the lights. So just wanted to give you a heads up on that. Like the video and subscribe if you haven't already.
And we're back on. It's a nice, cool evening. Like, it's perfect. This is like what your bike wants. Like that nice, cool air. Times like this would be nice to have cruise control. Some of you S1000 riders know what that's all about. I haven't been in this tough position in a while, so I don't know how it's going to be. If I'll get fatigued or whatnot. I am a little tired from earlier. My son plays soccer, and today was a parent versus kid practice. And you know what? I had to prove a point. I had to prove to him, because I'm always yelling at him and telling him, you gotta try harder, you gotta score more goals, you gotta do this and do that. I couldn't show up to practice and not do my thing. So I did get a hat trick, scored my 3 goals, and then I had to, and then during halftime, coach was like, we got to give them a handicap. They're 9 and 10 years old. We got to give them a three goal handicap. So basically erased what I did. I mean, 2 other parents scored, but the kids won by 1. But you know, I had to prove a point still, and I was exhausted. I was beat, but it was fun. And now we're riding. What a great day. That van is dipping. And I do have my low light setting on, so I'm not sure if that's gonna help with the picture quality or hurt it, but I guess we will see. This is just a nice peaceful cruise, enjoying the sound of the bike, the cool air hitting me. Oh, a rider. Now, once I saw that single taillight, I was drawn to it like a moth to a flame. What's he riding? We're just chilling. I'm just chilling with you, bro. Not trying to get in your way. Not trying to ruin your cruise. I'm just riding with you. Doing the same kind of body position. Look, you can see my shadow. I'm mimicking him. Yeah. That's like the relaxed position right there. Oh, he's gone. Hey, we saw a rider though. We got to ride with somebody for a little bit. What is that? The Suzuki, like the SV something? I don't know what it was. I'll Google it. It was a yellow one. Alright, let's see if we can find another rider. I could have just made this a lot easier and just got onto one of my Facebook motorcycle groups and found out where everybody was. But nope. I like to wing it. I like to be spontaneous. Alright, I'm starting to get fatigued already. This is my second ride of the season. And it takes me a few rides to get my body acclimated to the sport bike riding position, because you're really crunched up. You know, and I'm getting older. I'm not as nimble and flexible as I used to be, I guess. Oh, another rider. There we go. Here we go. What is that, an R1? I'm not sure. I knew I'd find another rider to ride with. And we're swerving through traffic. See, I don't know what he is thinking. If he's thinking I'm trying to race him or whatnot, or is he just riding his normal way and I'm just kind of following him? Oh, he's exiting. That was fun, my friend. That was fun. See you later. Oh, that was the state trooper that was right behind us. I didn't even realize it. And he went after the other guy. Oh man, I wish him luck. because he could have easily gotten me. Unless he already got my license plate, and I was like, oh, I got you, buddy. Because I know we were just cruising for like at like 100 there. That's not cruising, but you know, we were like steadily going 100. Let's see what else we can get into. State Patrol is out though today. I gotta watch it. I've been riding for about 45 minutes now. 45 to 50 minutes, and my booty hurts. My butt hurts. So this is what happens when you don't ride for like over half a year. I'm just not conditioned for it right now, but hey, I love this feeling. I love it. I just know when my body feels like this, it means that it just needs to get stronger. It needs to get right for this riding season. I'm gonna push through the hurt booty. Feels like I'm sitting on a table. Alliance Field. I still haven't checked out an MLS game there yet. MLS. I can't even say it. I had to say it super slow. MLS game. MLS. I don't know. I think did Messi join the MLS or something? Like, I know we won't play him. Oh, I got some neon lights on this. I think I've seen those things. Little tire caps, right? Start spinning, they start lighting up. It's not doing it anymore. Oh, now it's doing it. And that purple definitely got beef with the Vikings. Skull. Oh, snaps. My favorite tunnel. But there's so many cars you can't even take it fast. But it's gonna sound amazing. Oh yeah. Hear that? Yeah, hear that? Yeah, that sounds amazing. Yeah, there's a lot of State Patrol out, see? Well, let's actually ride through downtown Minneapolis. See if it's popping or not. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see if it's popping downtown. I have to put my legs down for a little bit now. We're at a stoplight. Alright, heading downtown. The lights, the lights. What is this line for? So, bunkers. Looking like it's pretty busy. Yeah, it's gonna be a little congested now. Yeah, it's busy down here, okay. People still come down here. Alright, let's see what we can see. Yeah, lines everywhere. That's good, that makes me feel good. You know, that makes me feel like I'm making a comeback. Twin Cities making a comeback. Deja vu. I don't know why every time I see this car from like far away, I think it's like a Maserati or something, but then it's like, oh, it's only a Stinger. It's a Kia. It's all-wheel drive. It's got 4 exhaust pipes. Is it fast? You guys know? Yeah, it's busy. I don't know how long it's been since I've actually came down here to hang out and drink and club and do all that stuff. It's been years. Well, actually, I did a charity event over there. I don't know if that counts. We were drinking. Alright, let's just turn here. Yeah, it was good to come downtown again though. Nice bike, guys. I'm almost at 16,000 miles. 15,932. The goal is to get to 20,000 miles by the end of this riding season. Let's go find where more people are. We're like in a dead area. Oh, people walking. Yeah, everything just looks different. I guess it's been so long. Not in a bad way. Yeah, busy area. Yeah, I wonder how the low light setting is going to affect this, because it's pretty well lit here. Alright, it's starting to get warm. I need to get back on the highway and head home. It's midnight. So I've been riding for about an hour and a half so far. Alright. Well, that's a real Maserati. A matte black one. The Vu again. 100 beautiful girls, 3 ugly ones, something like that. That's what it says on there. I don't know if that's true, but hey, I ain't knocking nobody. Well, we're at old school, a classic. North side Minneapolis. Minneapolis. See that mural right there on that side of that building is awesome. Welcome to North Minneapolis. I want to like bring my bike there and take a picture of it. That'd be awesome. Look at all the riders. Oh man, they're coming out. That's probably, they just came from that place probably. The 4th Street Saloon. Yeah, let's follow. Hey, this is gonna sound amazing. Right behind them, going into the tunnel. Oh man. I won't get too close. I don't know, there might be like a little biker gang or something, I don't know. Give them nice space. Just kidding, I'm going right with them. Let's hear it. Does get low. They ride pretty fast. Yeah, for some cruisers, they were dipping. I don't know if they were trying to get away from me, so I was like, alright, I'll just let them go. Like I said, I don't know what the mindset is of a rider that is just riding and you follow them. Like, are they like weirded out, or are they like, it's cool, we're brothers, or, you know, I don't know. Do you think you're trying to race them? You know, you never know. That's pretty much my video. Thanks for watching all the way through. You know, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Really appreciate it. You guys all take care. Be safe out there. KTG out.
Stay safe, stay clean.
Like the channel.
How can I be able to see it?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I look ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails off.
Look for me. You about to be on there.
Okay.